4, 6, 8 lug. I always look at guys that, you know, they're hanging over here. They go, what the heck's what's down here? Nothing. That's what's so nice about it. There's nothing. Okay, let's head out.
I can't wait till next week when you come over and help me.
Let's head out. Let's sneak out of here. I don't really sneak out. Updating everybody on all my subscribers or whoever watching my videos. You know, I come across some really nice cars I sell, and I have a cop on my ass. He stopped at the light. I think they finally got me. All the years I would leave like I do, and very rarely you've got. Anyway, I have a 1952 Chevy Suburban I'm going to be selling. It's a probably late 80s, early 90s restoration. It's got small block Chevy, automatic, air conditioning, power, everything. No power door or windows. But I'll be posting videos on that soon, hopefully this weekend. And while we're at it, big shout out to my girlfriend Rita in North Carolina. I hope I can get there soon. And to my son Kyle and his family, and my daughter Kelly and her family. And a special happy birthday to Ed Exeter and Ed Iskey. His birthday today. Happy birthday, Ed, 100 years. My dad's at 90. And I guess that cop didn't want me. He knows where I live. They all do. So yeah, we're it's not gonna do much. It's gonna be over 100 today. The party for Iskey's out in the high desert. That's gonna be 110 out there. It's a car show and a cackle fest, but it's just gonna be too hot, way too hot. 100, 110 degrees. Anyway, everyone have a great Saturday, and hopefully something good happens. Bye.